Your skin is the largest organ in your body. It is under constant physical and chemical attack, and it has to survive the conditions both outside and inside the body. As your skin bridges the physical and chemical worlds, so do many atoms and biomolecules bridge classical and quantum states. But to engage with this mystery, we must first unravel it. When it comes to skin, think of the epidermis as the wrapping paper, and the basement membrane as the adhesive tape holding it together. Both possess a classical and quantum properties. As the sky is reflected in water, so is our health reflected in our skin. Using their extensive knowledge of cosmetics, the Zepter research team have designed, patented, and produced a new type of cream, La Danza Hyperlight Fusion, which harnesses not only classical knowledge of beauty, but takes your skincare to an entirely new level, the quantum level. Let us reveal the secrets of our unique technology. As we know, all the atoms, except hydrogen and helium, arose from stars and cosmic furnaces. The C60 molecule, too, originates from the stars and can be found in asteroid dust, the rocks and mountains of the Earth, and even in the flames of a candle. C60 is an allotrope of carbon consisting of fused 5-atom and 6-atom rings, tightly bonded together to form a closed cage. Its structure is one of the most perfect forms found in nature, exhibiting icosahedral symmetry, lending it electronic and vibrational energy properties similar to biomolecules. Due to its insolubility in water and polar solvents, its applications were limited until the functionalized fullerenes were formed via the addition of hydroxyl groups, consisting of oxygen and hydrogen, to the surface of the C60 sphere. According to the law of harmony proposed by the medieval mathematician Leonardo Fibonacci, water molecules may oscillate in rhythm with the fullerene to form an aqueous mantle around the molecule. Through this process, the nano-harmonizing substance 3HFWC is formed. Aqueous layers protect the complex structure of the fullerene from environmental influences, whilst allowing transmission of icosahedral vibrations from the molecule to the environment, all while containing the toxic side effects of fullerenes on biomolecules. This compact, perfect structure has a diameter between 5 to 15 nanometers and dissolves in water, giving an amphiphilic molecule that can be used for various purposes. Fullerene, and its modified derivatives such as 3HFWC, act on the most basic building blocks of every living being, atoms and molecules. The energy and information that 3HFWC transmits to the biomolecules that surround it cause short and fast movements, oscillations of atoms, which cause changes in the structure and biomolecular conformation of the body. This is a biophysical process involving the transmission of energy information directly through the hydrogen bonds that tie all water molecules together. There are no chemical reactions in this process, only physical ones. This has the advantage that biomolecular structure does not change, resulting in no undesirable byproducts or side effects. Biomolecules are biophysically harmonized, returning to their original, natural and optimal state of being. Collagen is one of the most abundant proteins in the human body, comprising around 40% of all proteins by mass. In the skin, this is much higher, almost 75%. Due to the aging process and the harmful chemical and physical effects the skin must constantly fight, ultraviolet light and high-energy photons from the sun, air pollutants, and so on, the amount of collagen fibers in the skin decreases, causing it to collapse and wrinkle. Peptide planes of collagen fibers, perpendicular to the basal membrane and just below the basement membrane, must oscillate harmoniously to ensure their function and preserve the fine, wave-like structure of the basement membrane. This allows for better cellular nutrition of the epidermis and, thus, skin tightness. If the basement membrane is flattened, the cells are poorly fed, leading to slower regeneration of the epidermis. 3HFWC establishes harmonization of the two perpendicular oscillatory processes of collagen, forcing molecules to oscillate in a natural way, correcting disharmony and conformational deformations. To take the effects of Hyperlight Fusion fluid 3HFWC to the next level, our Zepter research and development team, led by Professor Juro Koruga, has formulated a new substance with nanogold particles. Hydrogen atoms from the water molecules in the aqueous layers around the fullerene are oriented towards gold, due to its natural surface energy and negative charge. The 3HFWC molecules coat nanogold particles and interact with their plasmons, stimulating the dynamics of the hydrogen bonds and improving 3HFWC's influence on both water and biomolecules. Nanogold particles, NAU, and 3HFWC form a new complex, NAU3HFWC, with diameters between 120 to 300 nanometers, creating a homogeneous gold fullerene matrix. The NAU3HFWC is mixed with a compatible cream base, and so La Danza Hyperlight Fusion cream is formulated. This unique cream shows the following benefits for the skin. It rapidly reorganizes biomolecules, returning them to their optimal conformational structure, slowing the development of cellulite in the process. It regulates the supply of water to the epidermis, increasing its water content and lending the skin increased elasticity. It protects the skin from ultraviolet radiation, blue light, petrochemical smog, air pollution, and other harmful environmental elements, slowing the aging process and the appearance of wrinkles. It prevents the appearance of hyperpigmented surfaces in the form of freckles and spots, lending a younger and healthier appearance. Most amazingly, it even accelerates the healing of wounds without scarring. Day after day, La Danza rejuvenates your skin for the ultimate uplifted and brightened look. Stay beautiful, live better, live longer.